This is a 2004 Acura RL. This four-door sedan has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a navigation system, voice recognition, a sunroof, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, front side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a collapsible steering column, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.